Installing a Caséta fan speed control is easy. First, use the pull chain to set the ceiling fan to high speed. Then turn the power off at the breaker and double-check to make sure the power is off. In most situations, you'll only need a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver, a piece of electrical tape, and a pair of pliers to do the job. Remove the existing switch. Tag the wire that is connected to the load. The load wire is the wire that carries power from the switch to the ceiling fan. Connect your new control. Connect the bare copper or green ground wire from the wall box to the green wire on the control. Wrap the hot wire around the screw terminal. Connect the neutral wire from the wall box to the white wire on the fan control. Connect the tagged wire to the yellow wire. Mount the control and add the wall plate. Then turn the power back on at the breaker. If you have a Pico remote for fan control, to control the fan from anywhere in your home, you can pair it now. Press and hold the off button on the fan control for 6 seconds until the LED starts blinking. Press and hold the off button on the Pico for 6 seconds until the fan control LEDs flash in a waterfall pattern. If you have a Lutron smart bridge, you can also control your fan with your smartphone or your voice. Just open the Lutron app on your phone or tablet and follow the steps to add a new device. Now you can create scenes and schedules for your fan and control it from anywhere using the wall box, a Pico remote, your smartphone, or your voice. And that's it! For frequently asked questions and helpful hints, visit CasétaWireless.com.